This conference will now be recorded.
Right, let's start today's session. So in the last session, we were discuss about tuple uh, operations, like how to create tuple functions. Okay, so tuple packing and unpacking also we were discuss in the last session. In today's session, next data structure we'll discuss. First, before that, let's open this. We just complete string and list and tuple, and now coming to this set now. So what is set and how to work with set, we'll discuss clearly. Okay. So set is ordered collection of elements. Sorry, unordered collection of elements only. Set means unordered collection of elements. How to create set in Python? We can create set using curly braces, means flower brackets. To create an empty set, we use set function. These details already we discussed in my previous examples. So once again, we'll start with set and all these things. Okay, just so this is the way to create set. Set with empty flower brackets. But when we try to create a set with empty flower brackets, it leads to dictionary. Because in Python, dictionary also can be created by using curly brackets. But when we try to create a set with no elements, so with empty brackets, it leads to dictionary only. It's not a empty set. To create an empty set, we use what function? Set function. Set function compulsory required. If you want to create empty set in Python, we use set function. S equal to set, print S, print type of S only. This is set function. Next, no. So how to change a set? Because set is mutable object, I said. Mutable means we can able to change the set clearly. So there are some methods are there, set methods like add, update method, like how we add in elements to the list by using append and extend. Same we have on set. Add method is there, update method is there. Here add method is used to add only one value to the set. At a time, we can add only one value to the set by using add method. In case if you want to add multiple values to the set, we can use update method. Same methods are there in the same options are there in the list, but the list methods are different. List methods are append and extend is there, but here in set, add and update methods are there. That changes are there. Set is mutable object. We can change set values at any time. Let's try to do this set creation. Add and update, how to do it. First, let's try to create set elements like 10, 20, 30, 40. This is set. In this, set is unordered, you know that. Unordered means no order is going to be present in the output window. And the data structure which is unordered compulsory don't have any indexes. But rest of the data structures like string, list, tuple, that are all ordered collection elements. So the data structure which is ordered, that's having index. But when it comes to set, it don't have any ordered. It is unordered. Unordered means no indexes are there. So now coming to this, I'm trying to add one value to the set. So when I try to add method is showing like element only. That means you have to supply the element, which element you want to add to the set, that element you have to supply. I'm supplying that 44 value. But if I ask you where it will add 44 value means anywhere it can add because it's completely unordered. So now 44 is added in the middle, but all the time 44 will not add in the middle. Anywhere it can be added. So adding only one element to the set, we use add method. In case if you want to add multiple values at once, if you want to add to the set, then we can use what? Update method is there. But update method is expecting multiple values. So all multiple values you should give to the what we can say set, like the square bracket. But if I don't give the square bracket, now you can see this value I want to add 34.5 value, 22 I want to add. Here I am adding multiple values to the set by using update method. But when we try to uh, we can see update value. So here it is saying type error. Why? The float object is not iterable. Meaning is what? Here this value cannot be object. Iterable means what? After this one value we can add, but next value float object, it's not iterable. Iterable means collection. So better to enclose this all multiple values in the square bracket, that is list only. List can be iterable, so we can add multiple values 1, 2, 3 to the set. But these all multiple values also not added to the set in the same location. It might be different, like Sai is there here, 34.5 is there here, 32 is here, like this only. It's different order. So execution to execution, again it will be changed, sir. Okay, now you can see 32 is there here, 34.5 is there, psi is there. Like so, to add multiple values to the set, we use what method? Update method. To add only single value to the set at once, we use what method? Add method. So this is adding the values to the set only. Mutable means not only adding the values to the set, it is also remove elements from set. So we can remove the elements from set by using these methods, sir. Discard method is there, remove method is there. Using these methods, we can remove the elements from set only. But these two methods are having its own style to remove the elements from set. So what is the style? I'll tell you now. Discard and remove. But one thing is for sure. Either you can use discard method or you can use remove method. Both methods are going to delete the value from the set based on provided value only. Only provided value. Based on provided value means you have to provide your value. That value, if it is there on set, that's removed. So value based removal only possible. There is no index concept in set. Let's apply discard and remove. So what is the difference between discard method and remove method? We'll look into this. Set with discard. Suppose s dot discard of 10. Which value you are going to discard it from 10 from set? 10 value. I am discarding this 10 value from set only. Now you can see here set s dot discard of 10. So this is 10 values discarded. Suppose remove method also I'm using. If it's a remove method. Remove of 10 is there. Remove of 10 means you can see 10 is also removed. So remove method as well as discard method both are working fine for deleting the value from the set. But what is the main difference here? Remove method, discard method, what is the main difference here? So here when the value is present on set, we cannot find the difference between remove and discard because both are working fine. But whenever we don't have value which we provide, like 100 value is not present inside, then remove method will give key error, because in the set every value is going to be considered as a key. So you are supplying this 100, that is key. This key is not present on set in the removal process. So obviously you will get what? Key error, sir. You will get here key error. So whereas discard method, you can see this discard method. Using discard method through also, I am trying to delete the value, but the value which I am providing, that is not there. If it is not there, then what is the error? No error. It returns simply none. None means nothing is there here. Nothing is deleted. Same set only printing. Same set means this S and this S both are same. After doing changes, no changes applicable. It return none only. None means you can see this S1 I'm storing. S1 is a new result. What is S1 in the sense? None. It returned none. Okay, nothing is there here. So the difference between discard method and remove method of set is what? If the value is present on set which you want to delete, both methods, discard method as well as remove method, will work fine. When the value is not present on set, discard method will return none, but whereas remove method will return here. You will get error. So make sure that you know already value is present on set. If you want to delete them, then go for what? Actually, remove method or discard method also. But exactly no idea whether the value is there or there or not in set. But just we are trying to remove. Better to go for discard method, because discard method, if the value is there, it will delete the value. If value is not there, it returns simply none only. So this is the difference between discard method and remove method on set only. But both methods will take one value. That value can be deleted if it is there on set. Index based deletion is not possible because set don't have any index concept. There is a clear method also there, sir. Clear method is used to make a set as empty. Empty means what? Clearing all the elements from set. How to clear all the elements from set? We'll see. S dot clear method I'm calling. Again, after clearing, I want to just print S. Now tell me, as I said that in Python, empty set always consider as what? Set function, but it's not considered as curly brackets. So empty set is always considered as set function only. So here after clearing all elements from this set, so it's written what actually? Empty set function like this. This is empty set only. Because in Python, empty set represent always set function through only. Empty set not meaning of like empty curly brackets. Okay. So this is set clearance clearly. Next, del keyword is there, you can see. Del is a keyword here. What is this? It is a keyword. This keyword can be used on any data structure. Means to delete a string, to delete a list, a tuple, and so on. You can delete complete definition. So here also, if you want to delete entire the set, we can use del keyword. After deleting, you can't access the set again, because once deleted any object, that not possible to access here. Del space s. So line number 5, I'm trying to delete the s only. Set is deleted. But after deleted, when I try to access the set, is this possible? No. You can see print s. So it's not possible to delete, sir, here. You can see name s is not defined. Okay, name error. Name s is not defined like this. So this is what? S is not available once we deleted here. So deleted object we cannot access again. This is clearly deletion is possible here. So these are all methods. So that's what we can say set is mutable. Mutable means we can add the item, we can update the item, we can delete, we can discard, all operation we can do. That's what it's a mutable object. And set operations are there. You can see mathematical operations are there, like union, the symbol is pipe symbol. Intersection, the symbol is and symbol. Difference, that is minus symbol. Symmetric difference, that is cap symbol. First, we'll look into union. Generally, these set operations we can apply on multiple sets. Multiple set means you can apply on 2 or more sets. For example, I have 2 sets or 3 sets with me. That set values I want to filter it. So in different style, then we can apply this union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference like this. So let's try to use union first. But before that, let's try to create 2 sets here. I'm creating one set with name called A, and the values of set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more set I'm creating, that is B. The values are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 sets are there with me, and I'm applying A dot A union B only. A union B means union will return unique values from both sets. Here, what are the unique values from both sets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are all unique values from both sets only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Unique value. But this here 4, 5 is there. Again 4, 5 is there. But both sets are having 4, 5. But that's not possible. Look at here. So only unique values, because set is a unique elements. So it's a collection of unique elements, no duplicate values. So union will return unique values from both sets. Either you can use union operator like pipe symbol, or else you can use union function also there, sir. You can see union function is there, union of B. A dot union of B is also possible here. Let's run this A dot union of B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. Okay. So this is next intersection is there. Intersection. Intersection means and here. Intersection meaning is what? And. And means intersection means it return unique common values from both sets. In set A, set B, what are the common values are present that return intersection. Let's see this common values are inside this A what 4, 5. Again 4, 5. Both sets common values are 4, 5. So let's try to go for intersection. That symbol is what? And symbol, and B, A and B. So this is intersection values 4, 5. Even we can also use print A dot intersection function also we can use. A dot intersection of B is same, and A and B is also same, sir. Look at here, A dot intersection of B, A and B. Both are same here. Okay. So next, difference is there. Difference means minus. Minus it is. So you can also use A minus B or B minus A. Both we can use. Let's try to use A minus B. See here, when we try to use A minus B, the values which will come from A set, but except which is already available in B set. Suppose values will come from A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 4, 5 will not appear. Why? Because 4, 5 already present in where? B only. The values which will come from A except which is already present in B only. This is 1, 2, 3. Sir, what happens if I try to give B minus A? B minus A in the sense the values which will come from B except which is already available in A. So 6, 7, 8 will come. 4, 5 will already there. 4, 5 already there in the A set. So that will ignore simply. So 6, 7, 8 or 8, 7, 8, 6, 7. This is another no problem at all. So this is B minus A. Even we can able to check A dot difference difference function also we can use. A dot A is one set. Difference of second set is what? B set only. Once I run this, A dot difference of B, that is 1, 2, 3 only. Then symmetric difference also there, sir. Symmetric difference means it return unique values except common values. It return unique values except common values means what? See, 1, 2, 3 unique values from A set. 6, 7, 8 unique values from B set. But A 4, 5, 4, 5. Among both sets, 4, 5 is also unique, but this 4, 5, 4, 5 common values, no, except common values. So A dot symmetric difference of what? B only. A dot symmetric difference of B. Once I run this, A dot symmetric difference of B. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Or else we can give cap symbol like this. Cap symbol also same. Same output you are going to get, sir. Cap symbol. A cap B. A cap B, what it is? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. But difference between union and symmetric difference you can observe. Union means unique values will come from both sides. Unique values means 4, 5 also it written in that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also it written in that set. But here symmetric difference only unique values except common values. Common values are ignored here in this case. But in the A pipe symbol B, that is what R. So sorry, intersection. So only unique values, unique values will return. This is union, unique values are coming from both sides. This is symmetric difference, only the except to unique common values, unique values will come 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. These are all set operations. And even we can apply these operations on multiple sets also, sir, not only two sets. Like three sets, four sets, if we have, we can apply it, no problem. A union, B union, C, like that. A intersection, B intersection, C, like that. Now coming to the membership test, it's a common. We already discussed in the last session tuple membership test also. So what is this membership test means? Simple. If we have a collection with any data type, so if you want to check whether the value is present on the collection or not, you can apply membership test easily. So let's try to find membership test on set only. Let's create a new set here, set with elements like this. And if I want to find the 10 value in set, then I can say 10 in S, I'm saying. 10 in S. Is this 10 in S? Yes, true only. It's correct only, sir, because 10 values present in S, it's correct. For example, 100 in S, I'm taking 100 in S. Do you have 100 value in S? No, we don't have 100 value in S. False. Suppose here 100 not in S. 100 not in S? Yes. No, correct. 100 not in S, correct only, that is. 100 value not present in the set only. This written true only. So this is membership test. It easy. It will be easy actually. We applied many times in previous data structures. And length is a common function. It's a common function for every data structure. Length of string, length of tuple, length of set. And even we discussed in the last session like length, max, min, sum. Okay. So these are aggregate functions or mathematical functions we can apply only on where number system only, like floating value, negative values, but we can't apply one float, one string like that only. So let's find out the length of the set and maximum minimum sum of the operations on set. For example, my set is this one. I'm finding length of S only. How many elements present in set? Four elements. So four elements are present in this. And how many elements, what is the maximum length of set here? Max of S I'm taking. Max of S means S 40. Minimum value is S is what? Minimum of S. So minimum of S means this is, sorry. Let's run this. Minimum of S. Minimum value of the S is 10 only. Even if I try to take negative values, now this time minimum value is what? Minus 30. Minimum is minus 30. Sum of the values I want to take. SUM is the sum. So 10 plus 20, 30, 30, 30 cancel, then result is what? 40 only. But even you can include any extra number also, like 89 I'm taking, S comma 89, 40 plus 89, 129 like this. So this is sum. So all values we discuss, all functions we discuss in the last session in the context of tuple only. Tuple don't have much more methods, only count and index only there, but set is having methods because it's a mutable. The simple logic. The data structures which are having mutable nature are usually that contains lot of methods because modifications are allowed on the data structure. And the data structure which is completely immutable means no modification. So obviously that's don't have any much more methods, only basic methods are there for that data structure. Next, coming to the dictionary now. So dictionary is a separate, actually it is somewhat different from other data structures. See, in the list and set and tuple, we can include one value as an item, but when it comes to dictionary, each item can have a key and value pair. So two things are there, key is separate and value separate in each item in dictionary. So to create dictionary in Python, we use curly brackets. And dictionary keys are immutable, means no modification of the keys. But values are mutable. We can change value at any point of time. In dictionary, keys must be unique and values need not to be unique. Means duplicate values we can include in dictionary, but keys no need to have the duplicate. If any duplicate key if we use, then that automatically it simply ignore. So it won't give any error, but simply ignore. Duplicate key will not accept. Among several duplicate key value pairs, only one key value pair is going to accept in that execution time. Now, to access values from the dictionary, you must and should use keys only, sir. Keys through we can do, but values through we can't do much more. So let's try to find the dictionary key and values, how it will work. So let's create one dictionary. I'm trying to create dictionary, D for dictionary, and like this. Print D, print type of D, type of D. Print D, print type of D here. Now you can see dictionary type. Okay. And dictionary don't have any key value pairs. But let's try to create 1, 2, 3. But it's not a dictionary now. It's a set because set is having only elements like 1, 2, 3 elements. Now coming to this, when we try to give any pair, like dictionary is a collection of items. Each item can be a pair like key and value. So key is there, value is there here. So keys are there, values also there. Like one is a key, value is this one. Two is a key, value is this one. Three is a key, value is this one. Print D, print type of D. Let's run this. We got this output here. 1 Sai, 2 Durga, 3 Ram. So if I include one more key like 1, okay, duplicate keys are there. Already this Sai associated with one key and Durga also associated with one key, but which key value pair? Only one, any one, that is. So no duplicate key required. But values can be duplicates, sir. You can include duplicate values like same value. Coming to this, here also same value, no problem. Their ID is different. Value can allow duplicate values because their ID is unique. 1, 2 ID, 1, 2, 3 IDs are different, but values are same. In the context of key, key can be an integer, key can be a float, key can be a string, key can be character. Same like value can be a float, value can be a character, value can be integer, like that. So any key value pairs you can take, no problem. But must be satisfy key rule only. Key rule means what? Suppose according to dictionary, key is immutable, but only immutable object you have to place them. But the mutable object like list, okay, set, if you place them, it will not work out. So next, I'm trying to create dictionary with clear picture like employee details. Okay, employee ID is a key. Value is what? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Employee name is a key. Value is what? Sai. Employee address is a key. Just employee address is a key. Value is what? Hyderabad, like this. Hyderabad. Employee address. Now you can see employee ID 1, 2, 3. Employee name Sai. Employee address Hyderabad. So this is next. How to access values from dictionary. Strictly remember, if you want to access any values from dictionary, compulsory key is required. Without key, no value can be accessed. Key must. Key through only we can do it. Value through we cannot do any changes in dictionary. Key is compulsory required, sir. So key is required. Without key, we can't able to access. Right now, I'm trying to access the value from dictionary using key only. So there are two ways to access here. Okay, one is just observe here. Print D of e name. D is a dictionary. E name is a key. E name value is what? Sai. So Sai will print here. Look at it. Sai is printing. This is option number 1. But option number 2 also there. Print D dot get function is there. Get function is expecting one key here. So for mapping. So let's get this also name. So either you can pass the key inside the curly brackets, or we can pass the key inside the get function. Get is a built-in function for dictionary. But both results are getting fine, no sir? Yes, here this is coming, this is coming. But the difference between this and this is what? Okay, so let me show you. If the key is present in your dictionary, both options will work fine. This option and get function option, both are working fine if the key is present on dictionary. In case if the key is not present in dictionary, then the problem will raise. Now, for example, here age is a key. Do you have any age key in my dictionary? No, sir. You can see we don't have any age key in dictionary. So let's run this. Age key, no age key. So we got key error. So this square bracket option only will work when the key is there on dictionary. If the key is not there in dictionary, then it will give key error. But when it comes to this one, look at here. This is get function is there, no? Get is a built-in function. Get function will return a value if key is available. If key is not available, get function will return none. Means nothing will display here. So there is no problem at all. It's not going to display anything. It's written none simply. So which one is the better option? Get. When if you don't know whether key is there or not, so you just apply the get function. That is better. If the key is there, value gets deleted. Value gets value will display. If the key is not there, simply return none. But in the context of line number 5, that is D of age, within the square bracket, I am supplying the key. But compulsory key should be present on the dictionary, then only you will get value. If key is not present on dictionary, then you will get key error. So these are the two options are there to access values from the dictionary clearly. So let's go for next method. You can also change or add values here. How to change or add values from the dictionary? We'll see this. How to change, add values. D of, okay, e name equals to, suppose e name is what size there. Raj I'm taking. I'm assigning Raj value. I'm assigning Raj to what dictionary with what key? E name. So once I run this, now you can see EID 123 e name size. This is we are getting here. Raj is the place or not? Yes. Value gets changed. So to change the value from the dictionary, we can use key only. So I'm using key. D of e name equals to Raj means Raj value will assign to the dictionary on in the place of Sai. Suppose here, if the key is present on dictionary, value get update. If the key is not present on dictionary, new key value pair is added to the dictionary. Like for example, D of age I'm taking. Do you have any age on dictionary? There is no age key. If there is no age key, then what will happen in this case? A new key value pair is added to the dictionary by default, like age is 34. So we can change or add values to the dictionary like this. In the process of changing values to the dictionary, if key not present, then new key value pair is added. If key is present, then value gets updated. Simple. If key is present on dictionary, value gets updated. For example, e name is a key. I'm changing the e name Mohan. So key is there or not? Yes. That key value what? Sai. It's update like Mohan. So if the value key is there, value gets updated. If the key is not there, then value can be new key value pair is going to be affected here. Now you can see new key value pair is added to the dictionary, age equal to 38. So this is changing or adding values from the dictionary. You can also delete or remove values from the dictionary. How to delete? Look at here. Delete purpose del of D of e name. So I'm trying to delete what actually one key value pair completely. Del is a keyword. D is a dictionary name. Of e name is what actually employee name. So key. So this key through we are completely deleting this one item, ename and name, ename key and value size both are going to delete it here. So to delete particular key value pair, you can able to use this syntax. Del is a keyword space D of what? Ename only. To delete entire the dictionary, we can use this one only. Del space D. That's it. D is dictionary here. It's going to be delete completely. After deleting completely also, if you want to check whether it was deleted or not, simply line number 7 you can print it. Obviously it will give error because once you delete the dictionary, you cannot able to access back again. So I delete the dictionary by using del keyword, and once you delete, so it's not possible. So D name is not defined. Okay, so this is dictionary deletion clearly. Next, We have copy method, no? Yes. In the last session, we discussed like deep copy, shallow copy. Same copy method is there here. COPY copy. Copy method is used to copy the elements from one dictionary to another. But there are two copies are there in Python dictionary also. One is shallow copy as well as deep copy. Let's apply here both copies. Suppose D is already there. D1 equal to D I'm taking. Print D1 I'm taking. So here D1 is nothing but alias name. What is this? Alias name. Alias name means other name of D dictionary. So D1 is the alias name, other name of D. So this is dictionary other name only clear. We created one more copy. But it's not a deep copy, it is a shallow copy. Means whenever we try to do changes on any dictionary like D or D1, immediately other dictionary gets affected. Suppose let's delete D of ename. I'm trying to delete the ename key value pair from which dictionary? D dictionary. But it will also affect into D1 or not? Yes. Print D, print D1. So both it is affected, you can see this. Let's try to do both affected ename. Sorry, here we have to print, not here. So now you can see D is there, D1 equals to D, del D of name, D1 I'm printing, D I'm printing. After deleting, both the dictionaries are affected or not? Yes. If you do any changes on D1 or D, other dictionary will affect. But this is shallow copy. If I try to use D dot copy method, it's called deep copy now. Means whenever we do changes, okay, whenever we do changes on dictionary D, that changes will not impact on D1 because you did changes on D only. D is going to be deleted ename, but D1 is still it is there ename. Ename is there, so I like. So this we discussed already in the list context clearly. In the last session, list was there, no? So list through we discussed clearly. So this is dictionary copy here. And there are items, keys, values are there here. Items means to get the all items from the dictionary. Keys function is used to get all keys. Values function is used to get only values. These are built-in function. Let's quickly show this. Print d dot items. Item is a function. Print d dot keys. Only keys you will get. Print d dot values. Only values you will get. Only keys, only values, items. Item in the sense key value pair. Look at here, items are there. Dict items are there. EID 123, one item. Ename, SI, other item. E address, HOID, other item. D dot keys means dictionary keys. EID, ename, E address, keys only. D dot values means 123, SI, HOID, dictionary values. These are all built-in functions. We can easily get the values and items and keys from the dictionary. And length of the dictionary is there. To find length of any object, you can use length function. Length of D means what? Length, how many items are there? That many items will return. 3 items. 1, 2, 3 items are there in dictionary. Length. And membership test is somewhat different, sir. Generally, when we have a list, set, tuple, directly we can apply membership test on the variables, on the values. But in dictionary, somewhat little bit different because dictionary is having key value pair. So membership test is only applicable for keys, not for values. In dictionary, we can apply membership test only on keys only, not for values. For example, here EID is there. It's a key in D. Correct. EID key is there. True only. Suppose this is key only. No, sir. Yes, it's key only. Key is there or not, we can check. But value is there or not, we cannot check. For example, you can see I'm trying to pass 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 here in the line number 4, it will act as a key. But when it comes to dictionary, it's a value. But in dictionary, membership test is not applicable for keys. It's applicable for values only. But here key is acting. Still false it is. Means it's a key. But there is no key like 1, 2, 3 in dictionary. So that's not possible. So this is the rule, sir. Membership test in dictionary can only be applicable for keys, not for values. Okay. These are all functions, all dictionary. Now there are two functions are there. You can see pop function is there, pop item is there. pop function is used to delete the value from the dictionary. Let's try to do this. D dot pop is there, but pop function will expect what? Key only. Which key value you want to delete, that key you can supply. Print D only. So pop method is deleting one key value pair, ename Sai. Okay, but you may get doubt. This is same, and previously what we did, sir, this is same, no? Del space D of ename. This is also same. Yes. What is the difference here? So this line will give same, this line also will give same. Let's comment this line. This is also will return same. Del of ename means ename is gone. Sir, what is the difference between this and this? Yes, this will not return any value. Which value is going to deleted? This will not return, but pop method will return the value. If you want, you can check D1. I'm printing D1. D1 is the value based on this key ename. Which value is deleting? At Sai value is deleting. Like, just wait a minute, something wrong. What is this? Line number 5. D1 equals to correct only. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Sorry, sorry, here I have not commented. Sorry, this is my mistake. Yeah, now you can see D1 is going to store ename value. It's going to store this return value here. Pop method will return finally which value is going to deleted from dictionary. That value also we can store them and print them clearly. But this option is not provide any value which is deleted like that. So del space D of ename only will delete the ename key value pair. It doesn't return any value which value is deleting from dictionary. But pop method will take the key based on this key which value is also deleted, that we can store and return it. So this value is deleted clearly. After that we can print this D. Original dictionary is there. Ename without ename it's there. So which value is deleting from dictionary also will return pop method. There is a pop item also there. Pop item will not accept any key, only just look at here, arbitrary item will delete this. D dot pop item is there. Pop item will delete by default arbitrary item. Arbitrary item in the sense last value, last item from the dictionary, by default it's delete. Which is the last item? This is. It's gone or not? Yes. And this will also return which item is deleting from dictionary. D1 equals to D. D1 is the return type. I am storing what is going to be deleted. Yes, that is e-address Hyderabad only. That is last item is deleted. This is after deleting. Originally your dictionary is what? EID 123 ename Sai, like this. So pop item will remove by default arbitrary item. That means last item from the dictionary. Now this time you can see last item is what? Ename Sai. This is deleted. Only one value is there. For example, here last item is what? First value only. So this is what actually? Yes, first value. Empty dictionary is there here. So this is what arbitrary item. If you want to delete, you can use pop item. So these are all about dictionary functionalities and set functionalities in today what we discussed. In tomorrow, we'll go for this bytes byte array frozen set in detail clearly. This is also collection data type, but these are different collection clear. So that's all for today.